Basically what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make some char cloth. So I'm just going to roll this all up. And we'll place it in there and then light it up. So I've got it all rolled up into the tin. I'm going to close that now, poke a hole, and let's see what happens, eh? I'm pretty sure they'll turn out all right. So that's in there now, and let's see how long it will take. Down now, so basically let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. So we'll try a bit and see. Apparently this one is Egyptian cotton with a few additives, but we're not gonna go there. It used to be a bed sheet apparently. So yep. So I guess that will do me quite nicely. It's quite nice char cloth, that. So yeah, making char cloth as easy as that. While you're at camp, you can just get a tin, roll some char cloth up, put it in the tin, and away you go. And for future, you got char cloth. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.